Hello, I'm Dr. Preeti and I'm a reader in the Department of Special Education at All India Institute of Speech and Hearing. Hope all of you are safe and sound. As a part of the public education series, I will be talking on adaptation in assessment. Before going on to what is adaptation, let us first understand what is assessment. Assessment is an important part in the teaching learning process. It determines how much learning and what quality of learning has taken place by the student in the classroom. It also highlights what has to be retaught, what has to be revised, and what has to be practiced by the student in the class. If this is assessment, then what is adaptation? Adaptation is making the curriculum simple and modifying it as per the learning requirements of children with special needs. As we all know, children with special needs is a heterogeneous group. So, teaching them using the same method and content will not be helping them to learn. Hence, the solution lies in adapting the content. Adaptation can be carried out in the following 4 areas. That is, adaptation of the curriculum, adaptation of the instruction, adaptation of the resource material, and adaptation of assessment. Today, I will be highlighting on adaptation in the assessment. Adaptation in assessment takes place in 3 ways. That is, adaptation in the assessment process, adaptation in the assessment format, and adaptation in the administration procedure. Let us look into each of this. First, let us see what is adaptation in the assessment process. Adaptation in assessment process means we can do the following things to help children learn better. That is, simplifying the performance task, shortening the task, providing some extra time for the children to complete the task, and we can also accept the assignment or the answer in the form of a scrapbook rather than long essays. Because some children might be comfortable in depicting or expressing their answers in the form of a drawing rather than writing lengthy answer. This becomes adaptation in the assessment process. We have understood what is adaptation in the assessment process. Now we'll see how we can make adaptation in the assessment format. Adaptation in assessment format means what we can do when they are writing a test or giving an examination. We can do the following things. First, enlarging the print, providing more space for the children to write the answer. Moreover, we can also provide them with a variety of questions like simple questions, match the following, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, writing short answers, completing a sentence. Because when we provide them with a variety of questions, they build the confidence that yes, I know the content and I will be able to do it. Moreover, we can also keep the direction simple, highlight the key points and underline the important words. This will also help them to attract what has to be done and what has to be answered. So this becomes adaptation in the assessment format. Now, let us see what is adaptation in the assessment administration procedure. This includes allowing the children to answer the questions orally because they might be comfortable in answering orally rather than writing, and this helps them to build their confidence. Use a scribe. They might be knowing their answer, but writing it might be difficult for them. So let us help them by providing an assistance. Third, let us not be too harsh or penalize them when the handwriting is poor or the spelling is wrong. We can also encourage them to give the answer in the form of a diagram or a drawing. Moreover, what is important is let us make them understand what is expected out of them when a question is posed to them. Because many a times children might know the answer, but when a question is given, they might not know what to do with the question. So we can make them clear what is expected out of them when we give them a question. Moreover, other way of helping them is to change the examination or the testing environment, because children become anxious or or tensed in the testing environment, we can change the place, or we can make them feel comfortable so that they can confidently write the answer. This becomes adaptation in the assessment administration procedure. So today we saw how adaptation can help these children to confidently write their answer or study well. But in this process, we should remember one thing. Let us not make the content too simple and the curriculum too impoverished, because ultimately we want our children with special needs to sustain and be successful in the mainstream setup. Thank you and stay healthy.